Hello, my name is Maya Kemaladze. I'm a teacher of English as a foreign language, and I represent Saçkere Public School number 2, which is located in the west of the country, Georgia. Today, I'm going to talk about the school's experience of implementing Sustainable Development Goals in the school curriculum. Especially, I will focus on the goals connected to the environment. The main mission of the school is to respond to global challenges through its activities and to contribute to solving the problems facing the country and the globe. There has been a lot of talk recently about sustainable development goals, but nobody is teaching us what function the school, the community, teachers, students, and parents have in achieving these goals. Since 2018, our school has taken on this mission and made teaching about sustainable development goals part of our school curriculum. In 2019, another project was funded by the non-governmental organization called Women's Fund. The aim of the project was again to raise awareness about sustainable development goals, particularly among girls. During 3 months, the project participants were trained on different topics such as ecology, natural disasters, climate change, and healthy life. We also conducted trainings for parents of our school. About 50 parents were involved in the trainings, and at their initiative, Parent School was created and established at school. Within the framework of the project, practical activities were carried out by students and for students. For example, 1 ton of waste paper was collected and then exchanged for books for the library. Students also called on everybody to put so-called green boxes in their classrooms and then start collecting waste paper during the school year. With the seedlings purchased under the project, students started to plant trees in their school garden. They participated in the planting of the yard. They called on the community about the importance of protecting nature for our lives. They carried out a cleanup action and urged the residents not to burn leaves in their garden and explained its negative impact on health. An important part during the project was devoted to showing and discussing short documentaries and educational films on the theme of environmental protection. During the project, 3 types of competitions were held: drawing, essays, and poster exhibitions. And also, a corner was dedicated to sustainable development goals, which is visible to the public. The current project, Education for Sustainable Development, is underway at school. It is funded by the non-governmental organization CEN, Caucasus Environmental NGO Network, and includes various training courses for students as well as for teachers on such topics as environmental rights and sustainable development. And they are held by our school's alumni, a specialist from the Ministry of Environmental Protection and Agriculture of Georgia. Through all these activities, we introduced teaching of sustainable development goals in our formal education through such innovative approach as thematic approach. This means that teachers of science work together collaboratively on the same topic in parallel, for example, water, although they conduct this from different angles. This helps our students to understand the issue in depth and holistically. Complex assignments are created on each topic, which are loaded with interesting activities, documentaries, feature films, social advertisements, animations, practical exercises. In the process of studying all these topics, students also create their final product corresponding to each goal of sustainable development. They are booklets, brochures, video clips, and then we upload all this material on the blog we specially prepared for the project. The project translates useful resources from English into Georgian, and we upload them on our blog for all schools of Georgia to access. Teachers of different subjects constantly conduct lessons on the issues of environmental protection. I can bring an example of English lessons where I, as an English teacher, conduct lessons on such topics as the importance of recycling, fast fashion and its negative impact, air pollution, water reservation, and I teach this through such approaches as PBL, project-based learning, and CLIL, content and language integrated learning. Such approaches truly help raise awareness among students, and they help us teachers raise future generation of global citizens who, we believe, will truly take care of our planet. Thank you.